boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have this wish going on here throughout these weeks. We don't have not just only the Wish Wednesday, but Wish Weeks, where you wish for songs and I bring them up for you. So this time we have you, Erin A. You've been with us before. You like Aurora, we're aware of that. So you wished for her song called Some Type of Skin. So generally, Aurora, she doesn't do guitar-friendly songs, really. They are pretty tough to translate into guitar. But yeah, you can do almost anything on a guitar, so this is not an exception. We'll try to handle some type of skin here. So this one is special for you, Erin A, and all you Aurora fans. Let's do this together. So we're gonna start with capo set on the 3rd fret. That's the starting point. So with that, we have 5 different chords. Let's go over the chords. So we're gonna start with C, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F coming up. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret over all strings. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And there we have all the chords needed: C, G, F, and E minor. All right, so we're gonna start immediately with the verse. And yeah, just to translate it into guitar, it would be the best scenario for us to just play one down per chord of the following chord progression: C, G, and then F, then E minor, and then back to F. All right. You're gonna play this for 3 rounds, okay? So yet now it hasn't come up in this tempo that we will see later in the chorus and so. But yeah, so you just go with 1 down per chord again. C, G, F, and again E minor and F. And it will be big pauses in between, because they have a value of 3 and 4 and like this when it comes to the strumming later. So that means you have big pauses in between the chords. 3 rounds of that, and that will be the first verse. Then we will have the first chorus, and still here we'll just go with 1 down per chord. So the first round, verse and chorus, just 1 down per chord. So the chord progression here will be C, G, F, G, and then you do that for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds will be and then back to verse. Okay, so now in the second verse, it adds up a little bit in tempo. We will look at the strumming pattern now. So yeah, if you grab the first chord in the verse, you know it by now, it's the C. 1 string around will be down, up, clap, up, like this. Down, up, clap, up. All right, so you play C, 3 string rounds, G1, then F4, then E minor 4, and back to F4. If you listen to the song, it happens more than just F, E minor, F in end there. The bass changes constantly almost throughout this, but that's just the bass going on there. The chords works in this fashion there with C3, G1, F4, E minor 4, and F4. And you'll play it with the strumming, so it will be something like this. rounds. You're gonna take that strumming with you into the second chorus. All right, so you're gonna play the same chord progression as we learned before. Now you're gonna play with strumming C 3 rounds, G1, F3, and G1. You play that for 3 rounds, so a couple of rounds goes. I played 2 times, you're gonna play for 3 rounds, and when you play that third round, you're gonna go over to the final row, so to speak, and play the final part of the chorus, which will be E minor 3, G1, F3, and G1. So after the third round of C, G, F, G, you're gonna play E minor, G, F, G. And that is the second chorus. All right, after that we have just the outro left. All right, and this is played with C3, G1, F3, and G1. Okay, so that's how the chorus starts. And then you're gonna go with E minor 3, G1, F3, G1. So you're just gonna repeat this second chorus, and then you're gonna end with 1 down on the C. So the outro is just another chorus again, but with this final C 1 down in the end. And that pretty much covers Aurora, some type of skin. Okay, so Aaron A, I hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful, please let me know. I'm a little bit curious if you liked this version of it. That is pretty much how close you can come with just a guitar and this type of instrument versus the song here that builds up in a lot of different ways than just one guitar. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and all the Aurora fans, if you like this, support me here on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.